Welcome to another video tour with California Yacht Sales. Today we're looking at a stunning and rare 1992 Gozzard G31 MkI TAMARI, currently on the market with California Yacht Sales in San Diego. This is the second time she's been on the market with us, and her owner has taken wonderful care of her and made some really important updates to the boat for you so you can start planning your next adventure in confidence. One thing is undeniable about TAMARI. She has a striking appearance. During our on-the-water photo and video shoot, it seemed like everyone was craning their necks to get a good look at her. Her green hull is in wonderful condition, waxed no more than a month or so prior to this video, in addition to having the brightwork completed. She has a surprisingly large cockpit for a 31-foot boat, seating 6 very comfortably and giving easy access to all 5 of her variant winches. Most importantly, the current owner replaced the standing and running rigging in 2021, meaning she has many more years of sailing to do before needing to worry about any replacements. She is light on electronics, but that leaves room for her new owner to customize the boat to their own needs and desires. That being said, she does have what she needs to go sailing on day one. At the time of this video though, the autopilot was not connected. Stepping below, you'd be surprised with the amount of space available in a Model 31 boat. To port, you find a small galley, a gimbaled Force 10 propane stove and oven, a temperature-controlled top-loading refrigerator, and plenty of galley storage. To starboard, we find a modest but comfortable nav station where you'll find the main control panel, VHF, LP control, and a Raymarine multifunction chart plotter. Moving forward, we step into a well-designed multi-purpose salon. This area can be left open or be made private when you have guests. Once again, we find ample storage throughout the entire salon area. A berth can be made from the sliding seats, making her a fully customizable stateroom. The bed can be made to port or to starboard. Looking starboard aft, we find a private quarter berth that's surprisingly spacious, and again with ample storage. Heading port aft, we find the boat's single head. It's been converted to an electric plumbing system. Once again, we find ample storage space throughout. With only 841 hours reading on the meter, her 35 horsepower Westerbeek engine has plenty of life left. It underwent some thorough services in 2021 done by local professionals. Access is very good as well. Not only is access available in front of the engine, but the top and back side of the engine, including the shaft, is accessible from the quarter berth. Stepping back out into the cockpit, the Gozzard 31 was ahead of her time, with a drop-down transom giving access to the waterline while being at anchor or mooring. Her portside lazarettes are deep and provide both ample access and additional storage for her next adventures. So thanks for checking out Tamari. We'll leave you with a few more clips of her at full sail. Although the sun didn't cooperate for the shoot, you can still see she looks amazing with her sails full. We can't wait to see you behind the helm taking her to her next port. For more information or to schedule your own viewing, please contact Tom Bossinger at tom@californiayachtsales.com. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you on the water.